Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you what are indicators in Forex. Before we start with the video, I want to make an announcement. Very soon, I am going to start a mini series on indicators, in which every week I will explain one indicator in detail so that you can use it effectively. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to it right now and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss on any new content. Now let's get started. So what is an indicator? Indicator is a tool used in technical analysis which helps to forecast price changes in the currency market. These indicators are developed with the help of mathematical calculations based on the price, volume or any other factors based on the purpose which this indicator is going to serve. Now there are thousands of indicators in the Forex market. Some of them are provided by the trading platform itself and some are even custom made. But based on the purpose of the indicator, there are four major types of indicators: trend indicator, volume indicator, volatility indicator and momentum indicator. In the next video, I will tell you about the different types of indicators and I will also explain any one indicator in detail. If you want me to start with your choice of indicator, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.